everyone, welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Alright, now we are going to learn about the phonic sound of group 5. Yes, do you know what are they? Okay, let's check one by one. Okay, we are going to learn about this letter. Yes, do you know what letter is this? Very good, you're right. It's letter Z. Okay, everybody, please say together with me letter Z. Okay, now let's see the uppercase or the mommy of the letter Z. This is it. Yes, and the baby, it's smaller than the mommy. This is the baby of letter Z. Okay. So, one more time, I'm going to show you the letter now. Can you please point? Where is the mommy and where is the baby? Yeah, where is the mommy of the letter Z? Good job. How about the baby? Yes, very good. Okay, and then now I'm going to tell you the sound of the letter Z. And the sound is Z. Yes. Okay, now everybody please say it together with me, the sound and with the movement. Zzz. Good job. Alright, now it's time for us to check the words, the picture with the Z sound. Okay, now let's see the pictures that begin with the Z sound. Okay, I have this. Do you know what picture is this? The number. Yes, you're right. Number 0. Okay, very good. How about this picture? What picture is this? The animal with the stripes. Very good. Zebra. Have you ever seen zebra before? Yes, same. I did. Okay, next we see this next picture. What picture is this? Yes, zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Okay, the zigzag line. Very good. And the last one, I have this picture. We can see so many animals in this place. What picture is this? Very good. The zoo. Okay, awesome. Good job, everyone. Alright, now let's spot the sound. Okay, we are going to spot the sound of Z. Okay, now let's check this. I have this picture. Zipper. Zipper. Yes, can you hear the Z sound? Where is it? In the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the word? Yes, you're right. It's in the beginning of the word. Zipper. Good job. Okay, next I have this word. Buzz. Buzz. Can you spot the sound? Where is the Z sound? In the beginning, middle, or ending? Buzz. Where is it? Yes, very good. It's at the end of the word. Okay, buzz. Okay, good job. And now I have this word. Zip. Zip. Yes, can you spot the Z sound? Yes, where is it? Beginning, middle, or ending? Very good. It's in the beginning. Yay! Good job! Alright, now it's time for riddle. Enjoy!
It's time for riddle. Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? Okay, this is an animal and it has stripes on its body. Black, white, black, white, black, white. What it could be? Yes, you're right, friends. It's a zebra. Yay! We did it, friends. Yes. Good job, friends. Good job, friends. Good job, good job, good job, friends. Alright, friends. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Okay, now let's review. Let's have a quick review, okay? What letter is this? Good, letter Z. Okay, how about the sound? Yes, Z. Good job. Okay, and then now can you please point where is the mommy Z and where is the baby Z? Yes, let's start with the baby this time. Where is the baby Z? Good. How about the mommy? Very good. Okay. Good job everyone. So, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.